Hi friends, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'm sharing to you the details of how to easily refill HP89A or CF289A toner cartridge. Okay, let's see how to easily refill this toner cartridge. Both sides of this toner cartridge are locked with pins. So, need remove the pins from both sides of the toner cartridge for the first step of the refill process. Pins remove like this. This channel is based on printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. But recently we started uploading videos of refill cartridges. We share with you an easy way to refill toner cartridges and ink cartridges of different brands. We always share with you an easy way to refill toner cartridge and ink cartridges of different brands from your home. Many pupils refill by making a hole in the toner, but in this video I will show you how to easily refill without hole. First, prepare your workspace. Place paper towels or newspapers on a flat surface to protect your workspace in case you spill toner powder. Put on rubber gloves if you want to make sure you do not get powder in your hands. Printer manufacturers usually do not instruct to even encourage customers on how to refill a toner cartridge in hopes that you will simply buy a new replacement cartridge. However, adding toner to a laser printer on your own is an expensive and easy alternative to purchasing a new toner cartridge. After one or two refills, we recommend that you empty the waste toner container because otherwise a perfect printing quality cannot be guaranteed. Shake well this toner powder bottle before filling. In this toner container can fill 160 grams of toner powder. Please note as well, refill toner and toner powder may cause serious health problems if not handled carefully. So, we recommend always using breathing protections while refilling toner cartridge. Furthermore, toner powder and refill toner can be highly flammable with an appropriate oxygen mixture. Purchase the proper type of toner powder that is compatible with your printer and its cartridge. Toner powders are different by grain size, chemical construction and weight. That is exactly why only the compatible type of toner powder will work with your cartridge. There are several types of toner but not separate ones for every single printer model. Most differ on features, not basic technology. In a pinch, a toner from a very similar model of printer will probably also work, but research or ask first. Replace magnetic roll on correct place. After then, press on magnetic roll. Replace the clip on correct position. After the refill, shake the cartridge lightly from side to side. Holding horizontally to ensure even distribution of the toner powder. After replacing this roll, rotate to both sides manually. If this roll does not turn, the roll is not properly placed. So check again and place it properly. If it rotates smoothly, go to the next step. Please note as well that you should not touch the photoconductor drum in no case or expose it to direct sunlight. This could lead to faulty printouts. Once the refill process is complete, combine the two parts and place the pins on both sides. Everything is placed now, but how to know toner is ready to use or not? In the last step, the OPC drum rotate to both sides manually. If this drum does not turn, the drum is not properly placed. So check again and place it properly. If rotate the drum smoothly, this mission is successfully completed and reinstall the toner cartridge into your printer. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.